Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this cordless paint sprayer 20V from Parkside, the model PFSA 20LI-B2. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. Paint application rate 2 square meters per minute. Through flow max 700 ml per minute. Container volume 1200 ml, running time with 2 Ah battery it is about 18 minutes, accessories included, recommended battery PAP20B1 2 Ah, and it is compatible with all batteries in the X20V Team series, if that is the regular batteries or the professional batteries, with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. After the end of this video you can watch the oldest videos that I made for Parkside sprayers. And of course here you can have your charger, your regular charger or the fast charger, and one battery here and another battery here. This is the 4 Ah professional battery and the 8 Ah professional battery. Of course, if you don't have any batteries you need to give more and the price will go higher, but you can do your job, and with the regular batteries are not expensive. The 2 Ah it costs about 20 euros. And there is the tool, and included of course we have the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Included at the box we have 4 nozzles, pre-installed one of the nozzles, that is the 1.5mm, the 2.2mm, 1.8mm, and pre-installed it is the 2.6mm. We have one spare air filter, you can replace the air filter, I will show you. One cleaning needle, the measuring cup, because you need to check the viscosity of the paint, I will show you how you can do that. And one cleaning brush. All that accessories included. Now let's move on at the tool. We have the trigger here, the adjusting wheel, decreasing and increasing. With the adjusting wheel you can adjust the amount of paint that comes out from the sprayer. Here it is the handle, soft grip, I like that. Very easy to use with one hand. And here it is the paint container. Maximum 1200 ml, from 200 ml. We have the riser tube, you can remove that and clean it. After finishing with paint, you need to clean all the parts that are coming in contact with paint. And again, you can install that here. And of course, you can remove the spray unit from the main body. Just press this plastic here, rotate, and pull. It has silicone rubber around here. Inside we can see the motor. And again you can install that back. Here we have the unlock and lock arrows. And rotate and it will lock. So easy. At the front remove the union nut that it holds one of the nozzles. There is a nozzle. It is the 2.6 mm. If you want to use a smaller nozzle. And again, it is very easy to install. There is one gap here. And install the nut. It has a stop here. And at the back we have the air filter cover. Press these two plastics here and remove the cover and replace the air filter. That was all. And of course you need batteries, 4 ampere hours or 8 ampere hours. That was all. So it's working. I will show you of course how you can use it and paint, let's say, a wall. With a cleaning brush you can use and clean all the parts. The same with a needle, clean the nozzles. Every time you need to clean your sprayer, otherwise it will not work. It depends what paint you are using. For metal, walls, so you need to find the right equipment to clean the sprayer. Now let me show you how we can insert the paint at the container and measure the correct viscosity. Depending on the type of paint, you may need to dilute it with a thinner. Water for water-based paints, as am I doing right now, or a solvent for oil-based paints. Stir the paint thoroughly to ensure a consistent texture. This cup has a specific size hole at the bottom to measure how long it takes for the paint to flow through. Dip the viscosity cup into the paint so it fills completely. Lift the cup and start timing how long it takes for the paint to fully drain from the cup. The goal is to get specific flow time, usually between 20 to 60 seconds, depending on your sprayer model. This one has a max viscosity 70 dm per second. If the paint flows out too quickly or too slowly, you may need to adjust the consistency by adding more water or paint. Water-based paints, approximately it is 20 to 40 seconds. Oil-based paints and varnishes, approximately 30 to 50 seconds. And stains and lacquers, 15 to 30 seconds. Now that you've measured and adjusted the viscosity for your paint sprayer, you're ready to start spraying. Make sure the spray width, flow rate and spray patterns on the sprayer are suitable for your surface and the type of paint. If you are looking for a way to make your painting projects faster, easier and more professional, this tool may just be the perfect fit for you. With its 20-volt battery power, you get full mobility without the hassle of cords. This gives you the freedom to move around your project without being tied down, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor tasks. This spray gun delivers a fine, even mist of paint which results in smooth professional finish. Whether you are painting furniture, walls or fences, this sprayer provides consistent results every time. With adjustable nozzles and spray patterns, you can easily customize the paint flow to suit different surfaces and materials. Whether you need a wide spray for large surfaces or a narrow one for detailed work, this sprayer has you covered. The lightweight design and ergonomic grip makes this spray comfortable to use for extended periods. Plus, cleaning up is a breeze with easily detachable parts, so you can switch between projects or colors without hassle. Whether you're working with paint, varnish or stains, this paint sprayer is versatile enough to handle a wide range of applications. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to tackle different home improvement projects. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient paint sprayer that offers cordless freedom, adjustable settings and professional results, the Parkside Cordless Paint Sprayer 20V is a great option to consider. I hope this review has helped you get a better understanding of how this tool can make your next painting project a lot easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tool reviews and DIY tips. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.